A Purdue industrial engineering degree is extremely versatile and can help you accomplish your dreams. Industrial engineering, or IE, integrates people, information, machines, and materials. IEs use information to help companies and organizations make better business decisions. We apply engineering, mathematics, science, and business principles to improve and simplify complex systems and operations using a systems perspective.
I chose industrial engineering because I really liked how it was a mix of business and engineering. And I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do after college, but I knew with an industrial engineering degree I would have a ton of amazing choices.
I chose industrial engineering because it closely brings together the empirical side of engineering with a more soft skills people side. It's a holistic view of a lot of things.
IEs might streamline a hospital operating room, redesign the layout of an automotive manufacturing plant, reduce waste in a production process, improve cockpit design, shorten the wait time in amusement park lines, improve food service in a restaurant, or simplify worldwide product distribution. We are the only engineering professionals trained specifically to specialize in productivity and quality improvement.
Industrial engineering has given me a way to not only learn how to think logically and strategize, but also mixed in the communication skills that were my strengths in high school.
With the problem solving, you learned in IE that tasks that you got that were seemingly daunting, whether it was in classes or on tests, you learned to break them apart and take in all the information that you received and then use that information to solve little piece by little piece to eventually break down a complex problem.
Purdue IE courses taught by our world-class faculty focus on 4 areas. Human factors courses provide an above-the-neck understanding of cognition and decision-making and a below-the-neck knowledge base of ergonomic principles. Operations research education gives the students the computational tools and information engineering principles to optimize the performance of diverse systems. Manufacturing courses give the students exposure to real-world processes so that IEs can recommend practical designs and decisions to implement. Production systems training gives the students the skills to design, plan, and schedule complex systems and networks. Students' senior year culminates with a capstone project, solving a real-world problem for one of our many corporate partners, including some global opportunities in places like Colombia and Jordan and in other states.
One of the highlights in my educational experience was getting to travel to Los Angeles for my senior design project. We got to go there for a weekend. That was a really great opportunity the school provided me.
Purdue IE also offers many beyond-the-classroom activities, study abroad, internships, co-ops, where students work 3 or 5 semesters to gain work experience prior to graduation, student organizations such as the Institute of Industrial and Systems Engineers, and undergraduate research opportunities.
Today's world is becoming increasingly interconnected, so specifically us as industrial engineers need to know how engineers from different parts of the world operate in order to bring them and technology together to solve problems in the most efficient way possible.
I've done 3 internships, 2 in Ghana and 1 in Argentina this last summer, working in plants all 3 times. It's been a great opportunity to showcase what IE is and the real-world applications of IE.
So co-op is a program here at Purdue that you switch between school and work every semester, and you do either up to 5 sessions or 3 sessions of work. I had the great opportunity of working with both the General Motors Corporation and the Walt Disney Company. With those opportunities, I've been able to learn what industrial engineers do in industry, and it's helped me to understand what I specifically want to do when I graduate.
I've been a member of the National Society of Black Engineers for 2 years, and I've been the president of the National Panhellenic Council for 2 years as well.
I'm currently the Ambassador Director for Institute of Industrial and Systems Engineers, where I get to work closely with both IISC and the School of Industrial Engineering to promote IE to future and current students.
For me personally, this is a great opportunity for me to either find out what I really enjoy within research and what I didn't enjoy within research, and that helps shapes me to be a better industrial engineer as I know what I want to pursue further in areas that didn't interest me as much.
This summer for my research project, I've been focusing on minimizing the time people were in front of the coffee machine by using task analysis and graph theory. With that, I've been able to find the most efficient times and efficient ways for the people to get their drinks.
You probably won't be called an industrial engineer because of the broad spectrum of career pathways for IEs. After graduation, our alumni choose from a wide variety of career opportunities, some with domestic companies, international companies, multinational companies, and others with a real passion for the content or the discipline or related disciplines go on to pursue graduate degrees. Some might work as or be called industrial engineers, while others might be called manufacturing engineers, systems analysts or systems engineers, operations engineers and managers, supply chain analysts, and onward to directors, vice presidents for supply chain or worldwide sales or continuous improvement, COOs, CIOs, company presidents, CEOs, or they might even become entrepreneurs.
Over 210 companies annually recruit Purdue industrial engineering graduates. These companies are involved with our students in many ways, sponsoring senior design capstone projects and undergraduate research, recruiting at our semi-annual career fairs, speaking in our classes, and providing mentoring to our students.
The lessons that stood out the most were what I learned outside of the classroom, just interacting with different people from a different culture, totally different backgrounds, and those are skills that I'm going to use the rest of my life.
I chose Purdue Industrial Engineering because it has an exceptional reputation in the field of industrial engineering and because it has given me opportunities that have helped me accomplish dreams I didn't even know I had.